Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to turn a blog post or article into a professional quality video using Pictory AI's Article to Video feature. First, log into your Pictory account. On the home screen, click on Article to Video. Paste the link to your blog post or article into the box provided. Click Proceed to let Pictory analyze the content. Pictory will automatically summarize the article, extracting key sentences and organizing them into a video script, scene by scene. On the left, you'll see the full article. On the right, the AI-generated summary is displayed. Each point will become a visual scene in your video. Want to add more detail? Click any sentence in the article to include it. To remove a scene, simply click the X icon next to it. You can edit any scene by clicking the text. To rearrange the order, just drag and drop the scenes for a better narrative flow. In scene settings, you can enable or disable features like automatic keyword highlighting and visual selection. These are helpful for fast, hands-free editing. When you're happy with the script, click Next to go to the storyboard editor. Select a visual style or template. Then choose your video format, landscape, square, or portrait, depending on your target platform. Pictory will now match visuals and text, automatically building a storyboard with relevant stock footage and on-screen captions. Want to change a visual? Click the image, then browse the media library or upload your own. Click the scene text to adjust font, color, and placement. You can also apply your preferred style across all scenes. Add a voiceover using Pictory's AI voice tools, record your own, or upload a pre-recorded file. Then pick a background track from the built-in music library. Add your logo, an intro or outro, and adjust brand colors to match your identity. Then preview the full video to check your work. When everything looks perfect, click Generate Video. Once rendering is done, you can download your video, export captions, or share it via a link. And that's it. You've just turned a written article into a stunning video with Pictory AI. Great job, now go share it with the world.